So, good evening. My name is Dr. Sanjeev. I'm from IQ Vision Care and I'm an eye surgeon by profession. I generally cater to bread, butter surgeries like cataract. One of my favorite procedures is laser refractive surgery, getting rid of your glasses. I have someone here, Zubin, if you can please stand. Yeah, he enjoys spectacle freedom because of me. If you all know who Kshitij Kotak is, he was a man who was shown on screen as one of the speakers. And for some of you who are BNI members, you know the national director of BNI is also spectacle free. I've got three clinics, one in South Bombay, LASIK Center in Bandra, and another clinic in Santa Cruz as well. Yeah, enough about me. Let's go to you guys. Oh yeah, and remember, we're live, huh?
Good evening, friends. I'm Bhavin Kothari from Infinity Systems. Infinity Systems is an IT solution company. We provide IT solutions like computer hardware, repairing, maintenance, AMC services, and network infrastructure services. Thank you, guys.
Good evening. My name is Mihir Joshi. I've had the pleasure of being one of the speakers here on Jam with Sam. I sing, I host a talk show. The last time I was here, I think Sandeep had said that my talk show had reached 7 lakh views on YouTube. And gives me great pleasure to tell you that we've just crossed 1 million views a couple of days ago. So, yeah. The show is called The MJ Show. And I think that time we were just going to start, but now the show is a prime time show on national television on NDTV Prime. You can see me every Tuesday night from 9 to 10 p.m. on NDTV Prime, and it repeats on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So yeah, that's about me. And let's pass it on.
Hi. Good evening. I'm Dr. Dilip Nadkarni. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and what I do is part of my name, Nadkarni. And my website goes kneeguru.in, Christian by my students, not by myself. I'm not a megalomaniac like other orthopedic surgeons, but I've done about 10,000 knee surgeries and going strong. Knee surgery is not the end of knee problems. You need a calm mind, a fit body, slim, strong, flexible, and have a happy life and have a lot of social interactions, a lot of friends, which will make you healthier. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Kajal Sambwani and my company's name is Venus Design. We provide you all the interior solutions and the products like the customized soft furnishings, Italian wall textures, wallpapers, wooden floorings and all. And we give the concepts for the interiors as well. And I'm based at Mahim. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sanjeev Kotnala. I just left my job as Vice President Brand and Marketing with Dainik Bhaskar about 3 months back. Now I run my own, which is called P1, P2 solution. Very simply, priority 1, priority 2 in your life, you take care of that. The balance priorities will commit suicide or finish on their own. I work very simple 3 philosophies in saying that organization have people who they hire, they pay money, they have experience, they are nearer to problem. If they can't solve the problem, the consultant can't do it. So I only come as a facilitator to liberate the ideas or the solution that they may have. That's the role I play.
Good evening, friends. I am Pankaj Narang. We are into valuation of properties, both movable and immovable. We are government approved values. Thank you.
So, hello friends, this is Gaurav and I am a software developer more of in augmented reality. You must all have heard of Google Glass. So basically what I do is visualize and then make it. Bring virtual things with you. That's what I do. And more probably I've also started with Oculus. You must have all heard of it, bringing virtual reality. Take you in that immersive wear. So that's what I do.
Good evening, friends. My name is Asif Nadaf. I have more than 9 years of experience in IT industry. I am running a company named Integrati, and we are developing a mobile application for the masses. I have recently got funded. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Arya Ori. My company's name is Stallion Enterprises. We provide flexible packaging solutions to food and spice industries. We have been serving customers like Al Kabir, Prabhat Food, Salmon Brothers for over 2 decades now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sriraman. Monday to Friday, I work in a ad agency called Publicis Beehive. I take care of the social media division there. So come weekends, I run Google Business Group. We are a community to help startups and entrepreneurs use web for business success. So we are one of the leading chapters in India, and I had the pleasure of #1 chapter in India. Thanks, Sam. Thanks for pointing it out, and one of the best in the world too. So yeah, I had a pleasure of being here in Sam's event once as a speaker. So that really helped to take this message much further. So thank you so much.
Good evening. My name is Jasmine Pereira. I run a company called as Image Empower, which offers image consulting and training services. I specialize in how you build and maintain your image online in congruence with your offline. Today, as you see that we are live streaming, it's important to look good, feel good, present yourself. So contact me, Jasmine Pereira, Image Empower.
All right. I'm Alexander Gounder. I run an agency called Ink My Web. We do 3 things: think, build, share. Think is consult, build is develop websites, and share is SEO and marketing. I'm also known for WordPress. I run the WordPress community for Mumbai. I run WordCamps, the official WordPress conference also.
Hello, good evening. My name is Dr. Khushbu Pandya. Not a medical doctor, but I've done doctorate in social media management, and I'm a social media and digital strategist, so providing consulting and training solutions regarding social media. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Kalpana from Empower Activity Camps. We are a training company. We provide training solutions through the medium of experiential learning. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Anjali Dalvi. I'm a chartered accountant by qualification, but I'm right now into CSR consulting. I guide SMEs to do the CSR the right way and also ensure that the funds are being properly managed, projects are properly monitored, and compliances under the Companies Act are properly taken care of. Thanks.
Good evening. My name is Hemal Manek. I'm basically a business and life coach, specialize more into relationship with your business, with your family, but the core, with your inner self. So if you want to build your relationship with your inner self, contact me. My name is Hemal Manek, your business coach for growth in business and life. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Mridul Motwani. We run a company called Vanity Om, specializing into bespoke suits for men and women both. Well, Jasmine rightly said, we are live right now, and one needs to look good. To look good, you need to contact me. We are a company which is based out of Hong Kong. We recently started in India. We have an experience of over 30 years, serving 2 countries in South America and US. Our specialty is we provide services at your doorstep, and we are associated with most of the Italian and English brands. For any kind of appearance makeovers, please do contact me. Thank you very much.
Namaste, good evening, everyone. My name is Chetna, and I run my company by the name of Chetna Mehrotra Image Consulting. I use art forms like drama, theater, art therapy, and storytelling to create learning spaces for children, adults, in corporates, in schools. But yes, my passion area is to work with the children. I also run, I have started a new campaign called Anti-Bullying Campaign, which we run at schools and universities. So I would really like you all, if anybody is interested, to join us and help us in our cause. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Niyati Shah. I'm a sex educator by profession. And when I say sex education, it just does not mean educating about the sexual activity. There's a lot more to it. I take workshops for children and parents, take topics like child abuse, puberty, early teens, late teens, premarital, marriage and sex, menopause, anything that comes under the title of sex education. contact me if you have any schools in mind who can open up their doors to teach the children, not the conventional way till now that they've been teaching, but understand what today's kids want and need. So here I am, Niyati Shah, sex educator.
Hi, I'm Shivani Khetan. I run my own company called People Solutions, which is into training and development, and I'm a life coach. I've also started this initiative called Expresso, which is your real life experiences over a cup of coffee. So we meet once a month on a Friday in the evening, and this event is absolutely free. All you need to do is just buy your coffee and sit with us, and we share whatever your experiences are. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Chitranjan, representing our company CNP Enterprises. And we are into garment business, and basic is we are into customization of garments for your organization.
Hi, my name is Pankaj Gupta, and my brother Chitranjan just explained to you what I do as well. Thank you.
That was like 7 seconds. Anyway, hi everybody, this is Roshan here. Forte, I'm into events for the past 16 years. What we are going to talk over here right now is I also run a music school. It's basically a DJ academy, and there's no mic is not working. Thank you. Yeah, it's better now. And those two kids over there that you're going to see in a bit are my students. Thank you. Prospective students, your children.
I'm Pramod Devda. How do you do? Either you do very good or you do underdo. If you want to do wonderful, remember me. I arrange finances at 4% per annum. Think of me, think of growth, think of abundance. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Russell Baptista. My company is called Dance Swans. We are into dance training, dance shows and dance concepts. I have 3 centers at Thane, Airoli and Andheri. So we believe no matter what you are, what you do, everybody should dance to be fit, fine and flexible. Alright? Dance Swans, dance for all for dance. Thank you.
Hi all, good evening. I run this service called as My Muneemji, and it is aimed at individuals, corporates and not-for-profits. What we do is accounting, compliance and reporting through an online platform with an objective to increase convenience, bring in more transparency and controls to this piece of accounting. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Sampath's sister-in-law. I work for Air India. Air India is good. You must fly Air India. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Mithila here. I am into client services of equity derivative and fixed income products for BNP Paribas. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Anil Babu. I run an event management company called Pinnacle Events. We are channel partners for the Times of India for the last 10 years. We do everything in events, right from conceptualizing the event to execution to marketing also if need be. So if you have an event, think of us. Thanks.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Shailesh Tandel.
My name is Ian Pereira. I'm an advertising industrial photographer, and I've been one for the last 29 years. I do still life, industrial, jewelry, food, any product, interiors as well. I do not shoot fashion, and you can see my work on my website, ianpereira.com. And remember, cameras do not pick photographs, photographers do.
Hi everyone, my name is Sanchit Malik. I am co-founder of Townscript.com. It's one of the fastest growing do-it-yourself event registration platforms in India. From small free events to big events like Social Media Week and Mood Indigo and Startup Leadership Program, Townscript is used by all types of events.
Hola, I'm Navita here. So it's like a league of entrepreneurs and co-founders and founders. Well, I'm yet to be a co-founder or an entrepreneur. So for now, I lead Social Media Week. I'm the project lead for Social Media Week. And do come, join, and have one whole week of festival, which is we are going to celebrate social. So let's get social at Social Media Week and join us there. Thank you.
Good evening.
Hi all, I'm Bindu. I'm not an entrepreneur yet. I'm working with Rohit. You already had an overdose of Social Media Week, so I'm not going to talk beyond this. See you there in case you're there. Thanks.
Hello friends, I'm Mukesh Chugh. I'm an insurance advisor. I give total insurance solutions in life insurance, medical insurance and property insurance. You can contact me if you need any of this. Thank you very much.
Good evening, friends. I'm Rajesh Khurana. We represent global information portal Anglo Info in India. Anglo Info is present in 40 countries and 90 cities of the world, and we are a city-specific media portal used by expat community. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nagraj. So just on the verge of starting up on my own. So just gave up a corporate job 2 months ago, and in the process of creating a tech startup. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pratik. I run a company called Idea Labs. We make apps, games, augmented virtual reality content customized for clients such as Smash, Ford, Shoppers Stop, basically retail, FMCG, advertising agencies. Everybody who doesn't know how to make a video game comes to us.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Ram Prasad Padi. I'm a super biker by heart. I ride a 1400cc motorcycle. That's my passion. And to earn money to ride that kind of super bike, I have a company called Mumbai Properties. We are into reality consulting. We do residential, commercial, buy, sell, and lease. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rahul Soni from Sitaram Realtors. I'm a real estate broker, and I deal with commercial property across Mumbai, Thane, and Navi Mumbai. And I even deal with the residence property also. Thank you so much.
Good evening all. I'm Samir Kampani. I'm into the business of security systems and fire safety products. I'm a systems integrator. I take turnkey projects for clients like Hubtown, Indiabulls, Reliance Industries, Maker Towers, and Maker Builders, sorry. And I have these two main verticals, like products like CCTV cameras, access controls, fire alarms, and fire sprinklers. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Zubin Patel. The name of my company is Insights India. We do work with entrepreneurs as well as large companies. We help them with all their HR related issues, from recruitment to training to coaching to setting up HR systems and processes. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Bhargavi and I run a company called Soul Trips. I do luxury experiential trips. I specialize in Italy, Greece, Southeast Asia. If you want to experience the place and not just sightsee it, then I'm the person you need to get in touch with.
Hi, good evening. I'm Akhil Sanghi from SP Sanghi. We are into the air conditioning business, doing all kinds of commercial, residential air conditioning. We've done approximately 5 of these Starbucks outlets in Mumbai. So we keep you cool all the time. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nityanand Shetty. I run a software company by the name of SN Vision Software. We specialize in network security, and we handle the complete security for enterprise customers like L&T, Siemens, Tech Mahindra, IndusInd Bank. I also, in the hospitality segment, I run a couple of restaurants under the brand name of Melting Pot and Pebbles. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Mridul Sharma from Srivastav & Company. Anyone having a legal problem? We are the solutionist for that.
Good evening. I'm Ramu Vedraman. My firm is Raman Associates. I specialize in intellectual property rights, which is trademarks, patents, copyrights, design, and geography indication. Thank you.
बहुत साल पहले एक गाना आया था, पर्दे में रहने दो पर्दा ना उठाओ. मैं कहता हूँ पर्दे ही बदल डालो. This is Anshuman from Arc One Furnishings, having around 48 plus European and US brands with us. So please do come to the store and have a look. And we also specialize in designing, especially the designing of the theme-based rooms and the living rooms. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Ami and I'm a photographer. Since you have seen this evening, I'm taking photographs, but I am also into commercial photography where I do products and architecture, interiors, and we specialize in virtual tours. Virtual tour is something that you can see this whole room like a 360-degree view, and you can walk in and out of rooms, but it's through photography. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sandeep Ori and founder of April Broadcast, and that's the system that we're using to stream it out live. We develop solutions for broadcast television and primarily education, which enable you to take your program not out of the room, out of the classroom, out across the internet, and also have it interactive. So that's what we do. Thanks. Who left? Who came in later?
Good evening. Mahendra Singh. I'm with Romel Developers. We are developers of commercial and real estate property in western suburbs. Thank you.
Hi, this is Nomita Iyengar, and I'm a teacher by profession. I teach maths to my beautiful, lovely children of a CBSE school in Andheri, and I'm also happen to be Sampath's wife. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kunal Iyengar, and I'm a student of Rajiv Gandhi College. I'm currently in the third year of engineering in information technology, and as you can see today, I'm the photographer.
Hi, my name is Late Latif Nahi. I meet Miss Universe Priyanka Chopra. Sorry, one program at Priyadarshini Award. So, excuse me. My name is Hemang Jangla. We are insurance broker. We are IDA licensed broker ISO 9000 company, and we work across India. Thank you, Hemang.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Shagun Ori and I'm currently studying mass media at Mithaibai College, and photography is my passion, and that's exactly why I'm here with a very heavy camera.
Hi, my name is Prasanna Patil and I'm handling the IT infrastructure for April Broadcast. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dharmesh Soni. I am working in April Broadcast and I handle the technical part of events. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rashid Thakur. I am currently studying in FIGSC Commerce in Mithaibai College. I got into music through music production. I'm a composer, so now I joined Roshan Uncle for DJing. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Nikhar Mansakhani. I'm a student, so I love to dance, and he happens to be my father. And so could you all dance when I play? It'll be like a motivating factor for me, and please, I would want an honest opinion as to how I play. And this is my third class.
Good evening. I'm Alex Cortez.
working with Sampath for the past 13 years. More than that. 12 years, sorry.